This is the Shark Steam Pocket Mop. It's model S3105, and I've unassembled it so that I can show you how to reassemble it. And that snaps in there like that, and this swivels back and forth and swivels this way, and then this is going to snap into here like that. And this is the pumping action that we'll do later to create steam. And this unscrews, and this is where we're going to fill it with water. So give me a second and let me grab some water. This comes with the mop, and it is a little bucket that holds water, and you can use it to pour in here. And it says to be careful not to overfill it. So we're just going to pour that in there like that. And I've lost, oh, there's the lid. Screw that on back. And let me get it upright. And actually, while we're up here, let's go ahead and put this on. And this is the microfiber pad that comes with it. You can see there. It velcros. And it came with two, and you can wash those. There we go. And that will velcro around it. And the nice thing about this is you don't have to keep buying new ones. You can just wash the old ones. Alright. Now that that's done, and when you're, see it flips so you can use both sides. Give me just a moment, let's get it upright. Okay, you can see this lit up, and that means it's plugged in. And I'm going to try and make this so you can see it as best as possible. You can see down here it's already creating steam, and you use this pumping action to create more steam. And I do not know if you can see the steam coming out of the base of that. Let's see. But it is steaming, and how much you pump is how much steam you're going to get. So you just keep pumping until you create the amount of steam that satisfies the need for the floor. And the nice thing about this is you don't need soap or anything. The steam itself is supposed to clean your floor. And you can flip this over if you need. There you go. See all that dirt? That all came up off my floor without using any soap. And makes it cheaper to use, for sure. But I think that's about it. There's really not much else to show you. You just keep doing this until you get your floor cleaned. And refill the water as often as you need. Over here there is an extension to make it taller. See, there you go. So it makes it considerably taller. And snap it back down like that. But so it does have that adjustable height like that. And I really think that's about it. It works really well for cleaning the floor. I like it because I used to have a Swiffer, and you had to buy pads, you had to buy soap, and it gets expensive. This is a one-time buy, and you just rewash your pads and fill it with water, and you've got a sanitized floor. So that is something I really, really like about this. But you'll probably have to buy replacement pads because it looks like they're going to wear out relatively quickly. But other than that, I hope this review helps you, and have a wonderful day. Subscribe to my channel for lots more household product reviews, and enjoy. Thank you.